In today's world, sending and receiving money internationally should be fast, secure, and easy, and the Worldremit wallet makes it exactly that. First things first, let's get your Worldremit wallet up and running. If you don't already have the Worldremit app or an account, download it from your app store. It's available for both iOS and Android. Once the app is installed, open it and create an account or log in if you already have one. Now, let's find the wallet section. Navigate to the main menu typically found at the bottom of the screen, or in a side menu you should see a wallet option. Tap it. The wallet activation process may ask for some verification information, such as your identity. Click on the Activate Wallet button. Now the fun begins. Your Worldremit wallet is set up and has some cool features. You can receive transfers directly into your wallet, send money to people worldwide, and even convert it to different currencies. Check your transaction history for full transparency. You can see every entry, including when and how much you sent and received. Managing your money internationally just got a whole lot simpler with the Worldremit wallet. It's fast, secure, and ready to empower your global money management.